If you're watching this video, you're likely somebody who at some point in your life has been on a fitness journey before. Whether your goal was to lose weight or your goal was to build muscle, you've been on this journey. But something came up, whether that was moving cities, starting a new job, having kids, something came up that caused you to put your fitness and your health on the back burner. But now's the right time. Now's the time for you to finally start prioritizing yourself. It's time for you to chase that goal of losing weight so that you can fit into those clothes that you've always fit into, or gaining muscle so that when you go to the beach, you're proud of the hard work that you've put in. Either way, now is the right time for you to take that action. If you hear me saying those things and you feel like you fit into any of those categories, then you're in the right spot. And there's a few things that I want to say to you before you get started. Before we dive in, my name is Will, and I'm the owner here at X4 Highland Park in Chattanooga. I've spent the last 5+ years working with hundreds of people take control of their health so that they could begin living the life that they've always dreamed of living. Now, if you're just getting started, it's possible that you feel fear or that you feel shame. You might even feel like you're a little bit behind. But the truth is, that's completely normal. Everybody that you look up to has restarted at some point in their life. But the biggest difference between you and them is that they've continued with it. They've stayed consistent. Now that brings me to the first thing that I would tell you before getting started again, which is set a minimum standard. Now what that means is there's something small that you're gonna incorporate into your regular routine. That might be a 20-minute walk, it might be daily movement, it might be going to an exercise class 3 times a week. Whatever that is, it's something small because at the end of the day, consistency is gonna be the momentum builder that's gonna allow you to reach your goals quicker. Consistency is the most important thing because that's what's gonna build momentum. That leads me to the second thing I would tell you, which is don't chase soreness, which is a feeling, chase momentum. This is where real progress is going to come. If you finish every single workout and go home feeling completely destroyed, you're not actually building consistency, and that's quickly gonna lead to burnout, which doesn't get us the results that we're looking for. I would always encourage you to start lighter than you think, and if it's your first time or you're just getting back into it, take it easy. We can always make the workout harder tomorrow, but it's a lot harder to dial back the intensity once you've already pushed past that point of no return. By doing this, it's gonna allow you to build momentum, which is gonna help you reach those results quicker, which in turn is gonna create confidence all around. Now, the last thing that I would tell you is to pick workouts that are done for you. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that you wanna choose a workout that's already written for you so that when you show up, all of your obstacles are removed. The only thing you have to do is actually do the work. When you have these obstacles in the way, you're gonna create the feeling of being overwhelmed, which usually results in you choosing not to do the thing that you wanna do, which in this case is working out. One of the best ways that I've found personally to do this is by joining a coach-led environment or group classes. Even if you're just doing it once a week, you're usually more likely to stay consistent with it. You can get constant feedback. And then one of the added benefits is that you have a community around you. This community is going to be a bunch of like-minded people working towards the same goals that all want to see you succeed just as bad as you want to yourself. So at the end of the day, you don't need to punish yourself for starting over. You don't need to feel embarrassed, and you don't even need to get in shape before you begin. The most important thing is that you're here now and that you're ready to start taking action in your life. If you found this video helpful, we have more videos coming with simple, beginner-friendly fitness journey guidance to help you take your current busy life and begin living a life where you take care of yourself. No matter where you're starting from, just remember that you're closer than you think.